We're going penny squishing, we're riding, climbing, fishing. Our family's on a mission, we're going penny squishing.
Yeah, we'll have to come back out here and walk around.
Yeah,
That's cool. That building is cool. I want a house like that.
yeah, that would be good. What's those white things at the end?
Over there?
Yeah.
Just like, I think it just comes off the plants. You see, look, they're growing corn dogs.
Those actually do look like corn dogs. Yeah,
Ma,
I've never seen one of those plants in my life.
we found corn dog plants. Oh, whoa.
I'm too scared. This is so cool.
Is that... He's got...
He's got a face mask. That was on there on the
That's all right.
video. This is so huge, man.
Oh, man.
Oh yeah, you're right. So, like the big.
Did you guys touch the tooth?
Dude, that's a tooth. That does not look like a tooth. Braxton, there's a snake.
Oh, there's a snake in there. Oh.
Whoa, look, that one is orange.
It is pretty. Look at how tiny these birds are, Braxton.
Oh my god. That's even tinier than the one we saw at the parking lot. Oh,
Yeah.
that one's blue. But yeah, that one might be. Whoa. There might be some in the nest. Those nests are cool. I can't sleep for me.
There's a mother bird in there.
Oh, I'll
Sitting
see
in
that
her
on video because I can't see up there. I'm too short and stubby. Hey, but fish. What is that? Fish.
Fish. Yeah, there you go.
But look, they're coming over because these things are
Yeah,
gonna
don't
be
touch the
fed.
glass. Somebody's got to clean that.
Fish.
Fish, yeah.
Yeah, you want to go see some snakes?
Snakes.
We seen snakes the other day.
There's that one goldfish.
And yeah, there's just one goldfish in there.
Yeah. Fish.
That one. I picked up a snake.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa.
Oh, that's wet.
Oh, I've heard of these guys.
Me too.
They're so crazy looking.
What does it say on the front?
Oh, look, there's a goldfish.
It's a Mexican salamander.
It's a Mexican salamander. What is
It's not a
that?
goldfish. Wait, what? Look, there's a tiny
Yeah.
fish in there with them. Fish.
It's probably food. Oh, turtles.
Yes, I love turtles. Oh, turtles. Come here.
Amber, go look at the turtle.
Oh, it's so cool. Look how big its claws are. For some reason, I just like turtles. I like the way they move.
Guys, don't forget you're going to look for a baseball to do a
Oh, yeah. How many baseballs are there?
12.
I love those kinds of fish. I forgot the name, but it's something alligator. Big.
Yeah. Okay.
Daddy's walking up to me.
Yeah. He thinks you're gonna feed him. It must be about feeding time.
Oh, it's so odd. Snakes have tiny heads, big bodies.
That's a yellow snake.
Oh, I see those snakes.
This one's a white snake.
That looks like a popcorn snake.
A popcorn
Oh my
snake.
gosh, it's so cool. Oh my gosh.
Here.
Look, the best part of the museum. Twix.
Whoa. Twix only? There's a lot of good things in there.
Oh my gosh.
What was your favorite part of the museum? I would say it's the snack exhibit.
He's like, I'm floating in the water.
He's dancing. Home, home.
He's spinning. Oh my gosh. What is he doing? He's like, I'm entertained. I thought that was a real snake.
No, those are all...
I've heard of those guys. They eat eggs and they live in the desert.
Oh, that's what they look like, guys. Okay, they're not real baseballs.
I know.
They're paper. Carly,
One.
on the wooden bear.
Come on. For some reason, I feel like I've
There.
See?
I've got our ride and she wants me to sit.
What is this?
I'm not gonna sit.
What's this thing?
I can't sit on that, Amber.
Wait! I got my second one. Oh,
On the elk antlers. Here's the black bear, guys.
Look, there's a tiny turtle right down there. It's like all these bigger animals. animals, they don't realize me. They don't think I'm that.
He's just a rock. I'm just a rock.
Yeah.
Whooping crane.
Whooping crane?
It's a wood curving.
Rock behind turkey or rock speaker. He's so smart, ain't
It's
he?
a smart otter.
River otter. Yeah, only the river otter wears glasses. Look at this. Look at this thing.
Oh my god.
You really would think that that's a rock.
Yeah, I would.
Oh, crap. Thank you.
I think of trash bandits.
Trash bandits.
I did not see that snake, and I looked
There's a
right
snake.
there.
There's a mallard duck.
Oh,
Oh,
I found a baseball. Where?
inside beaver hut.
Okay. How do they do that?
No, not really.
I think it sinks into the shape of a footprint under.
Target up to 20 feet away.
Oh, wow. I
Twice the
just scared.
size of the common house cat,
cool.
the bobcat is an excellent hunter.
What's that?
Within a 20 square mile territory, bobcats
That's
will
cool.
stalk,
How
climb,
do
swim,
they do
leap to
that?
catch a wide variety of small
my
mammals
God.
or even larger prey, such as a weakened deer. They can jump as high as 8 feet vertically or
No,
12
Ember.
feet across to traverse their habitat or catch
Oh,
meat.
this is where we're at now to watch. It's gonna go this
It's
way.
gonna go over there.
Yeah.
Raccoons are known to wash their food.
Oh,
before
look, they look like
consuming.
little
This
hands.
tendency is reflected in
They
its
look like little
species
hands.
Yeah, they do.
Oh.
Eating a washer.
Wait, they wash their
This
food?
trait may
Yeah.
account for why
Oh, nice beavers.
beavers in Missouri may be found
Oh.
in and along streams,
Another
rivers, marshes,
tiny
and
hand
small
looks.
lakes.
The raccoon.
Oh,
Look at that back foot.
Once in a lodge or dam. You're
that's
correct.
cool. That's a
Did you know
big
that not
back
all
foot.
beavers
Look at all these rocks, Braxton.
Oh, that looks like a marble. Oh my gosh. Where do you get
They get that way from the water running over
Yep,
them, right?
yep. The water erodes off all the rough edges and makes it smooth.
Cool. That's cool.
Hit a button,
Okay.
Amber.
See, it lit up.
This trait may account for why raccoons
Yeah, and that's gonna talk about that animal.
No.
I don't know.
Mined ground squirrel has earned it the name Federation squirrel.
It's cute.
Because it reminds some of stars and stripes.
She's back to the
Ground
footprints.
squirrel colonies can be found.
Look at that one. It's the Missouri State Rock.
That's a state rock.
Yeah.
Do we have a state rock?
I have no.
Look at this. Look like dimensions coming together.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on, you gotta let it get done first.
And this is the Missouri State fossil.
Yeah.
I can't believe how rocks get this way. Like these look like chunks of wood.
Oh my gosh. Well, the scale wood.
Scale. Hold on.
I don't know what that means, but that is microwood. Coalized wood.
60 pounds. Jeez.
Baseball.
Nice.
Missouri water tower.
Wait, a free. You get any free item from the gift shop. One item. That would be awesome. Yay! I did it.
Yeah. You want to spin that?
Missouri. Mom,
See what happens.
Did you fish?
It is a fish.
Hey, look, Missouri State dinosaur. I didn't know there was dinosaurs in Missouri.
I didn't know you had state everything. Like,
Well, look, this is
oh, so this? Yeah. Look, there's arrows on the wall and a bow.
It's the queen. Bow to your queen. Oh, look at this kayak.
Shh. She's trying to sleep, guys.
Yeah.
I know. Look at this, Ma. Imagine going kayaking in this. It's probably a canoe.
From Pocahontas. Weapons.
Baseball. Indian drum.
I saw this guy on YouTube. He was finding all this old stuff in the ground.
Whoa.
And he found an old arrowhead, like one of those. And he's like, oh, an old arrowhead.
Look at that thing.
Whoa.
You should think it's cool. Those things were chiseled hundreds of years ago.
Like, he's like, oh, well, that's cool. Let's move on.
Mankind first arrived in North America from Eurasia during the Pleistocene period. No, that's Pleistocene. Over 10,000 years ago.
Okay.
10,000 years ago. Oh my gosh. This is
paintings.
cave paintings.
Remember on Ice Age when they had those paintings? Wait,
are these
actual paintings?
Well, yeah, they probably paint them on there, but they're not from 10,000 years
So I was
ago.
like,
No, they would make you not touch that.
yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. What is he doing?
Look at the fake fire. Must have been hard for kids.
Oh yeah. But they were tough. They made do. They survived, and thank God they did. We wouldn't be here if they didn't.
Look at this.
I don't know what that is.
It's like a saber tooth.
It's a, yeah, it might be.
Here's a stool of a saber-toothed cat.
Wait, they're real?
Yeah, they were.
Yeah.
Very real.
There wasn't a baseball in there, was there?
I hope not.
I hope not either.
I don't see any. Can you imagine if the man holding it?
And he's looking confused at it. Oh, oh, oh.
It's unidentified monster. There's an unknown creature that we haven't figured out yet. It's called the unidentified
That's
monster.
when the children get a hold of the drawing.
Yeah.
That's a kid's cave drawing.
Wait, I get what you mean. When your kid's drawing the wall and it just shows a picture of this.
Yeah, this is more like it right here.
Yeah, when your kid's drawing the wall. Find any unidentified monsters.
Hey, look. More corn dog plants.
Oh, yummy, yummy. Hey, look, there's a bird nest over there. They're lucky. They get corn dogs.
Corn dogs are good. I like a good corn dog is delicious. God.
Fiona.
Could you imagine getting in that sweat lodge?
Yeah, that's a tiny sweat lodge. Baseball.
Yep.
Just copy what it says there, sweat lodge. Yeah, she doesn't look well.
Wow.
I'm concerned about her health.
She shouldn't be working.
No, not
It's all
looking.
this time around these plants that's making her skin green.
Don't step in it. Sophisticated, huh?
That thing is Look how long those things are. It's like.
Yeah, that thing's like an elephant killer right there. You see the baseball?
Oh yeah, those base
Carly?
baseball eggs. They're fake.
They're fake eggs, yep. Oh, it's a convenience store, yeah. Oh no. Like there's a storm coming.
Oh, come on. This is our penny squishy adventure. Why does it be a storm?
What's up, bro?
Sir, I think you're still wearing your bedtime hat.
I've been sleeping on that, right?
Not more comfortable than our bed.
That
Our
is the
bed
softest thing I've ever felt.
perfect.
What the St. Joseph Gazette is printing press.
From back in the day, established in 1845.
1845.
That was like 10 years ago.
There's the doctor.
Hey, Dr. Daniel Kitty.
What if I actually opened it?
There's no handle on that. Oh, what do we got?
Sounds of the air.
I doubt they were always playing music. Come on. Get it, Braxton. Get it.
That's what it sounds like.
There's a baseball though up there, Carly. On the sign.
Oh.
Red Barn Saloon. Shing.
You only need 3 more, Dad. And then remember.
Those things really swing, don't they? Hey, you guys, hang on. That looks like a place you have to be over 18.
What?
You're not old enough to go in there, I don't think.
What? It's the
drinking.
fancy people's house.
There's drinking, there's gambling.
See what the sign says?
No.
Queen beds, 20 cents.
20 cents? I could afford like
Okay.
1,000 beds.
Dad, I had a blast at the rich people's house.
Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Help me.
Afforded bed and room, 85 cents.
What's shod? You know what this little gold bucket is? Spit. Yes, it's a. It's for the spit in.
Is that how you spell wagon?
This thing is longer than the
Wagon.
gun.
Owen.
Owen. Abraham Lincoln.
Feral hog.
Wait, guys, I'm gonna stay on the ship. Dun, 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 dun. Pirates of the Caribbean.
What?
It says, please visit the Pony Express National Museum.
Oh, already done
That's where
it.
it just came from. Hey, Mom.
Done and done.
Oh my God, a train.
Oh, it's part of a train. Look at that. Hey, look, you want to lift this?
Jump off.
Oh my goodness. Can you guys do it?
Yeah, obviously.
Okay, Carly, that's as far as it goes. Let it down slowly.
I'd like to do something. Ow.
It's pretty heavy though, right?
Yeah.
That's only one chunk of the railroad that they put underneath the train.
Oh my gosh. Ah, watch out, it's gonna hit us.
Sugar. Did you find one?
Yeah, on the train.
I knew it.
Is that one?
No, we need one more.
Oh crap.
Oh man, see how hidden they are? And now for the most important part, our pennies. I hope it's safe. He looks hungry. I'm just gonna get a penny. Is that okay? Amber, do you want to choose one first? Do you want a beaver, an eagle, a fish, or a mammoth? You want the fish? Oh,
Of course.
oh, okay. Thank you. We'll put this over here. Okay, we'll line it up for fish. Hold on. Hold on. Ready? Okay. Your turn. Turn it.
Hey mom.
Hey, what?
That's hard. Ain't it?
She's
Oh, that's hard.
Yeah? Oh, the other one was easy, huh? Carly, we're not getting anything here,
There you go.
remember?
You got it. Go down.
cute little beavers, mom.
Yeah, here. You want quarters?
Yay, there it is.
Can you show me, Amber?
Show mommy.
Show me.
Mommy.
Mommy.
I want to get a fish.
Cool.
Middle Earth dinosaurs.
Fish.
Awesome.
Braxton, you want to go next?
Yeah.
Maybe. Oh, do you see it, Amber?
There you
Oh, there you
go.
Which one did you get?
You got a fish.
Come on. I'm getting it. Come on. Oh, did Ember choose a fish? Whoa. That's so weird. These ones, I don't like these back scratchers.
Get a good. Hold it still, Carly. Focus here.
Hang on. Okay.
These ones hurt your back.
All right.
Hey, Amber. Oh no, where'd she go?
Can you guys keep an eye on her, please?
That's up there. She's supposed to squish pen. Alright, put the beaver. Light. You want to go over here for the light? Come over here. Look at that.
Okay.
Okay.
Fish. If you look at the fish, you look. This bear is.
Oh, that fish is pretty,
Yeah, Ember's turned out really good.
I hope that's gonna be good on the
Okay.
video.
Now, Ember.
Yep, just like that. Good?
Yeah.
I hope so. Perfect.
Might as well be dinner time.
I know, right?